Hey guys, what's up? The Bus Channel here, and today I think we're going to be unboxing some timetables. So yeah, let's get into it. He's wrapped this well. Here we go. So here are the timetables. All from the same seller, of course. So yeah, just get them out. So first of all, we have a Stagecoach bus times, the 3 and 3A, as you can see. I think these come in a job lot actually. So yeah, here's the 3/3A for Stagecoach. A rug to the Rugby Town Centre. So here's the front and here's the back. Pop that there. We've got quite a couple of Stagecoach ones. Here's number 4 Stagecoach bus time to the town centre. And here's the front and here's the back. Here we have another Stagecoach one, the Route 63 for Rugby, and here's the front and here's the back. Here we have another Stagecoach timetable for Rugby, and it's the Route 96. And yeah, here's the front, and here's the back. And our final Stagecoach one is the D1 route, D2 route, and D3 route. So yeah, here's the front, and here's the back. Obviously this is still in the Rugby area. And don't know what company this is. I think it's Stagecoach, but in the county link delivery, and I think Reggie. Yes, it is YM56NNF, which is. It was Stagecoach at first, and then it went to Johnson's in Henley and Arden, and then it's now at Maghull Bus and Coach Hire. And yes, I have been on NNF, but I never filmed on it. Yeah, I didn't bother back when that existed around here. So yeah, I should have done. And same with NND and all the others. So yeah, I've managed to film one of them, which is NNE in Harlow. But I still need to film NND and... No, not NND, NNF, no, NNG and NNF. I can't film NND because I don't know where it's gone, and that's all off the road. Yeah, so that might have been scrapped because apparently it could only go like 40 miles per hour up a motorway. Something like that because the turbo's gone, I think. So yeah, that weren't good. So yeah, here's the Stagecoach County Links timetable for the Route 9 and the Route 209 and the Route 11. And yeah, when was it issued? Oh, 7th of January 2019, so quite a recent one. Why the hell do they still use NNF for the photo there? Weird. So yeah, here's the front and here's the back. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, it's the A&M group actually. So yeah, an A&M group timetable, not a Stagecoach. Hang on. Why the hell have they used the Stagecoach picture? Oh well, who knows. Perhaps it's because it's with the Warwickshire, was with the Warwickshire County Council. So yeah, we've got 3 more left. Here we have, this one is a Hinkley bus timetable, or however you say it. So yeah, YM56NNF again. So yeah, it's a Rugby one, X8C4. So yeah, here's the front, and here's the back. pop that there. Last one. It's got different back. Company, or is this just a Warwickshire County Council one? I think it's WCC Bus Services. That's probably just something to do with the council. So yeah, it's just to go for Warwickshire County Council. And we'll see it's NNF again on the front. And I'll show you the front in a minute. And this is from 2017. And it's the Route 58 timetable. And it's the first route's in Coventry. And yeah, obviously I'll show you the front now and you can see all the other routes. So yeah, here's the front with the NNF. And here's the back. And finally, we have a Warwickshire travel map for 2019. Well, February 2019. And yeah, here's the front and here's the back. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing. Let's get the thumbnail now, guys. Here we go, guys. So thank you guys for watching and peace out.